If you're drawn to the look of raw elements and old factories, maybe industrial is the style you gravitate towards. This style takes its cues from old factories and industrial spaces that have been recently converted into living spaces. Industrial style is also known for its use of unexpected materials, like those used in older buildings. There's an emphasis on colors and patterns seen in industrial settings, wood grains, cement, and metals with an older patina. Common design elements include exposed and painted brick, flat front cabinets with simple hardware, and a mix of wood and metal decorative elements. Overall clean lines and silhouettes with a few rugged details to add interest. People who like this style favor simplicity and choose just the right pieces to get the most impact. For inspiration and ideas, visit our website or a local Pulte sales center.